This is our ongoing class. Now, we're beginning to identify a lick in Amarillo by Texas. It's done by the fiddle in George Strait's version, and even though it's in a different key, we're learning to hum it and see if we can find the notes on the ukulele for today. And then next week, what we're going to do is wrap those notes in a chord. So let's, and I'm going to tell you up front, I'm going to fudge it a little bit because it's going to be more accessible with the chords. So let me show you the version that I've come up with. Ba, 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 ba. So first of all, will you just hum that with me? 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Let's try it again. Ba, 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 ba. So let's see if we can actually figure out what the notes are. So the way I do it, we do not have music, we do not have tablature. We have to do it by ear. So using our voices, ba, 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 ba. See if you can find what that note is. Ba. Now, let's start near home when we're making this inquiry. That note is happening on the F chord. The motif is F, A minor, B flat, and C7. So let's make our F chord. And let's just sing ba. Now let's see if that note is one of the notes in the F chord. Ba, no, ba, no, ba. Oh, there it is, ba. What is that? It's a C. Let's go to the high C.
C.
Let's do the high C on the A string. Ba. Okay, good. So you see, we've got the first note. This is what we have to do when we're doing chord melody, is note by note by note. But talk about helping us learn the notes on the ukulele. Okay, so it goes ba, ba, ba. So we have to identify that. Ba, ba. Can you hear how that note is a little higher than this C? Ba, ba. That's a hint for us that the note is going to be on the A string somewhere farther down the fretboard. Can you find it? Ba, ba, ba.
D.
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 D is right here, yes, on the 5th fret. So it goes ba, ba, ba. And I hope you're writing this down. C, D, C, A.
A.
A, open A. Da. Now, can you hear how that next note is a little lower than the A? Ah. What do you think it is? Start plugging around. Sing it. Da, 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 da.
G.
G. Da, 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 da.
G.
It's a G. It's a G.
G.
It's a G. Now, here's where I'm fudging that lick a little bit. Then I'm going to go to La. Now, that is happening on the B flat chord. So let's make us a B flat chord, okay? And see if that La is one of the notes in the B flat chord. La.
It is.
It is. What note is it?
F. F.
It's F.
F.
Good. And then one more note. And then one more note. One more note. La, la. Can you hear how that note is a little higher than the F? La, la. And it's happening on the C7 chord. And I am making the C this way. La. What note is that?
G.
It's a G. See, this
Kelly,
is,
you're frozen for me. Oh,
uh-oh.
there you are.
So,
No, you're not.
so
But the voice is fine.
this is the process. I'm videotaping this, so you'll be able to watch this. So this is the process of beginning to create a chord melody when we don't have a map of notes or tablature, which is what I prefer because I want to find my version, not somebody else's. So we found the notes, and then I'm fudging. So we only have 1 minute left. So we're going to tease you a little bit. What we're going to do next week is wrap it around the chord. I'm just going to show you. That is what we're heading towards. So your homework is that, first of all, there's other ways to make an F, aren't there? Do you know that you can make an F chord by putting your index finger here on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then we're just going to play the bottom 3 strings, and then I'm taking my middle finger and my ring finger and placing them on the C and the E strings in the 5th fret. Let me give you the numbers. It's 0, 5, 5, 3. We're not playing the A string in this chord melody. That's another way of playing an F. So now you find a way to hold that form down and add the D note. See what you can come up with, okay?